What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how we can identify sell pressure in the market before it opens up aggressively to the downside. I'm going to be using the footprint chart that we have here in front of us, and the goal is to identify where there is imbalances. So I'm looking at bright red numbers. The bright red delta is going to give me all I need to know about this, plus market structure or price action. Now, the thing is, a lot of people look at the delta, right? You look at all of this selling into the lows of structure. And when prices move up against it, everyone's like, oh my God, they're trapped, they're trapped, they're trapped. This thing's going to the sky, it's going to the moon. Okay, great. Well, the idea here is that if you start failing and you start creating very aggressive sell into the highs and you're creating lower highs continuously with all of these quote unquote trapped traders into the lows, all this negative delta, that's creating incremental lower lows, you're most likely going to get a structure that eventually breaks even in a choppy environment when you're holding a 30-point range. Like on NASDAQ, 840 the top, about 790, 795 the bottom. So you got about a 40-point-ish, 45-point range that's shaping up, but incrementally lower highs are being created in the market with lower lows based on the absorption of the sellers that keeps coming in at lower prices. When you see all this negative delta at the lows that's incrementally dropping lower and lower, those guys are not getting trapped. They're about to open up the floodgates for that downside move, and what we get from that is a large sweep to the downside that eventually just gets crushed. The only way to find the turning point is to find points in the market that create heavy buy side and break all of these negative delta structures. So that means a push back through them to find dips to buy into for that reversal. But pinpointing where those sellers come in, right? Make sure that you watch how all of the sellers into the lows react. Are they creating lower lows? Are they creating lower highs? Because that's going to open up the floodgate. If you want to learn more about order flow and about these specific tools, check out our latest webinar. The link is in the description for you guys to sign up, and we have a free PDF just for you.